Then you do like this. And then you pass it. And then you get two from these. You put it here. And then after you put it, you get two from these, and then you put it like this. You put it like this, and then you get one black. You put it here, and then you pass it. Take one and then you get two from these. You put it then you get one white and then another white. You put it together, and then you get one from this. You put it here, and then you put it here. Then you take one from this, and then you put it here, and then you take one from this, you put it also here, and then you take one, you put it here, and then you take again one, and then you put it here, and then you take one again from this, and then put it here, and then you go, then you put this one here. And then take these doors, and then put it here. And then you take two from these, you put it here, okay, then you pass, you take two blues, sorry, you take one from this, and then you put one here, you take one here, and then you put it like this, and then you put a red here, and then you flip, and then after that I put after this I get 2 glue, and then after you put glue, you take one from you